feeling a heavy spiritual presence, or sensing unseen forces at play. Many traditions offer powerful solace through prayer. Think of ancient texts describing spiritual warfare, or personal testimonies of individuals who found freedom by calling on divine strength. Prayer isn't just asking for help, it's a declaration of faith and a conduit for spiritual protection, a way to reclaim your inner peace when facing what feels like negative influences. When you feel targeted or oppressed, specific prayers can be incredibly potent. Many turn to scriptures known for their protective verses, like Psalm 91, reciting them with conviction. Others might engage in focused prayer, visualizing a shield of light surrounding them and audibly renouncing any unwanted spiritual intrusions. This isn't about fighting darkness with darkness, but about invoking divine light and authority to clear your space and spirit. Remember, the power lies in your sincere belief and consistent practice. If you're seeking deliverance, approach prayer with a clear intention and unwavering faith. Speak your truth, claim your spiritual sovereignty, and trust in the process. This sacred act can be your most powerful tool for finding peace and freedom from negative spiritual atmospheres.